Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best gift kits is probably one of the most thoughtful and convenient ways to show someone you care, offering a curated selection of items designed to delight and surprise. Whether you're celebrating a birthday, holiday, or just want to send a little cheer, these kits take the guesswork out of gift giving, providing a cohesive and often personalized experience that makes the recipient feel truly special and appreciated. They are perfect for any occasion, ensuring your present is not only well received but also memorable. Number 5. Beard Kit for Men Grooming and Care. Introducing the complete beard kit designed for every man. Achieve a perfectly groomed and healthy beard with ease. This comprehensive set includes everything you need. From nourishing oils to essential grooming tools, it's all here. Experience the difference with our 3-pack of premium beard oils and a revitalizing balm. They hydrate and condition for a softer, smoother beard. Keep your beard in top shape with the included comb, brush, and precision scissors. Perfect for shaping and maintaining your style. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This kit is an ideal present for husbands, boyfriends, dads, or any man in your life. Perfect for any occasion. Make anniversaries, birthdays, or holidays extra special. It's a fantastic stocking stuffer or a way to show you care. What we like? This kit offers a comprehensive solution for beard grooming. If you're looking for a one-stop shop to maintain a healthy and stylish beard, this is it. It's perfect for anyone who wants to elevate their grooming routine with all the necessary tools and products. What people say. The kit has a good variety of items. It is a great value for the price. The packaging was very nice and made it feel special. Number 4. Stationery Ice Cream Slime Kit. Get ready for hours of creative fun with this exciting slime making kit. It's designed to spark imagination and let you create unique, delightful slimes. This comprehensive kit comes with everything you need to get started. You'll find glues, activators, colorful mix-ins, scents, and all the tools for endless customization. More than just a toy, this kit helps you develop important skills. You'll practice creativity, decision-making, and hands-on learning as you mix and design. Dive into a world of sensory play. Mix, stretch, and shape your creations into fun, colorful, and wonderfully scented slimes. It's an engaging arts and crafts experience. Looking for a unique gift? This DIY craft set is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It even includes a storage container to keep everything tidy for future fun. Design your own ice cream-themed slimes with delightful scents and toppings. Let your imagination run wild as you craft sweet-inspired treats. What we like? This kit provides a delightful and imaginative crafting experience. If you have kids who love hands-on activities and enjoy sensory play, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for fostering creativity and fine motor skills through fun, scented slime creations. What people say. The kit includes a variety of high-quality items that are perfect for gifting. Beautifully packaged and presented, making it an impressive gift option. The contents are thoughtfully curated and offer excellent value for the price. Number 3. Bonsai Tree Kit, Grow 4 Miniature Trees. Discover the captivating art of bonsai. This beginner-friendly kit makes it easy to grow your own miniature trees, symbolizing balance and beauty. They're perfect for desks, windowsills, or any space needing a touch of nature. Each tree carries a symbolic message of balance, beauty, and life. They surprise and delight with their unique charm, making them a thoughtful gift for any milestone or occasion. It's a truly unique and creative plant gift. These living works of art are unusual and captivating, with rich symbolism perfect for birthdays or anniversaries. They elevate any office or home with their elegance and natural charm, transforming any space. Admired as symbols of harmony, growth, and inspiration, they are a perfect way to celebrate new beginnings. More than just a plant, they are living sculptures that make every occasion memorable. Add elegance to any interior with these living decorations. Their unusual growth patterns and lush foliage create a dynamic silhouette. Sustainably sourced and reusable, they combine sophistication with eco-friendly design. Find mindfulness and inner growth through their artistic forms. They provide a natural way to relieve stress and lift the spirit, offering a perfect relaxation and wellness experience. Enjoy their calming presence. These rare varieties represent peace, balance, and clarity of thought. They bring a small corner of nature to your home or office, serving as a lasting reminder of harmony and offering endless moments of aesthetic appreciation. What we like. This offers a unique and rewarding gardening experience. If you or someone you know appreciates nature, mindfulness, and the art of cultivation, this is a perfect gift. It's suitable for adults looking for a calming hobby and a beautiful, living piece of art. What people say. The kit includes a variety of useful items that are well packaged. The design of the gift box is very attractive and sturdy, making it suitable for presentation. Each item inside the kit is of good quality and serves its purpose effectively. Number 2. Nature-bound bug catcher vacuum with light-up critter habitat case. Introduce your child to the fascinating world of science with this interactive bug-catching kit. It's perfect for hands-on STEM learning and sparking curiosity about the natural world. This toy allows for safe, contact-free bug collection. It gently traps insects without harm, keeping exploration clean and worry-free while teaching respect for living creatures. Examine bugs up close with the included habitat featuring dual magnifying lenses. Kids can enhance their observation skills and encourage scientific discovery. With a built-in LED light, bug hunts can happen even during evening hours. This feature enhances excitement and helps locate bugs in darker areas. Designed for exploration on the go, this kit is lightweight and durable. It makes learning easy during hikes, backyard play, or park visits. Support STEM growth with this complete kit, packed in gift-ready packaging. It's the ideal present for birthdays, holidays, or educational milestones. What we like. This kit encourages exploration and learning about nature. If you have curious kids who love the outdoors and discovering insects, this is a fantastic option. It provides a safe, engaging way to observe creatures up close, perfect for budding young scientists. What people say. The kit includes a variety of useful items that are well packaged. The design of the gift box is elegant and makes a great impression. Each item in the kit serves a specific purpose and is of good quality. Number 1. Couples Hand Casting Kit with Mahogany Base. Capture a special moment in time with this complete hand casting kit. It provides everything you need to create a beautiful, lasting sculpture of your hands together. Inside the box, you'll find all the materials for a successful casting. This includes molding and casting powders, a demolding stick, sandpaper, mixing sticks, and a beautiful mahogany mounting plaque. Making a cast of your hands is more than just a craft, it's a fun and unforgettable experience to share. Create something unique and meaningful together. Craft your own professional-grade hand casting with the included mahogany plaque. This set is designed to help you create stunning, artistic pieces. Looking for a unique gift? This is a heartfelt activity for couples, families, or friends to create a priceless memory. It's ideal for anniversaries, Valentine's Day, or just because. Create a beautiful sculpture that will preserve your special bond for years to come. It's a wonderful way to celebrate your connection through a fun, hands-on adventure. What we like. This kit is designed to capture and preserve special bonds. If you're looking for a meaningful and unique gift for a couple, anniversary, or Valentine's Day, this is ideal. It allows you to create a beautiful, tangible memento of your connection. What people say. The kit is very well packaged and makes for an impressive presentation. Each item in the kit is of high quality and feels substantial. The variety of items included is excellent, offering something for everyone. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.